how to download all tabs as a PDF in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, so here we are. This is my Google Docs, and you can see we have the 4 tab here. Okay, and okay, so there is a one option you can download as a PDF file. Okay, here, but it will be download only one tab. For another tab you need to download again, and it will be create the separate file, PDF file for every tab. So if you want all tabs in one PDF, then you can try this trick. Okay, so first make sure your Google Docs a file name you remember, so or you can just rename it tab PDF. Okay, I just rename my PDF Google Docs file here. Go to the Google Drive. Okay, now come to the home. Here, come to the home, just click on home, and here you can find your recent Google Docs file which you have created. Okay, so this is my file name. So now what you need to do, just right click on it, and you can download from here, but it would be downloaded as a Google Docs or Microsoft Word document. For PDF we need to go in open with and go to the preview. So here you can see this is preview, and you can notice there is a one extra page come which is with title. Okay, our original page is this in the red text, the blank one which they created extra page. So what you need to do, go to the print option. Don't directly download from here. One second, let me open again. Don't directly download from here. It will be download, but it will be downloaded with the extra page. So go to the print here. Under the print you can see the alt page. Okay, go to the print options, and here you can just select the custom page and select your original page. So I have my original page, page number 2. Okay, page number 2, page number 4, and page number 6 and 8. So whatever it is, just select the page number like 2, 3, 6, 8. Whatever you have your original page, just enter the page number here, and just click on destination and click on save as a PDF. Okay, so page as per sheet. Okay, and here we have this. Okay, we have select as a custom. Now go to the save file. Okay, now you can simply save your file and just rename your file and just save it. So okay guys, so this is our file which just we have saved. So just open it and you can check your file. The all tab is included. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.